So I have logged into my ABAP HANA Studio. So I am in the ABAP perspective. So if you go here, perspective, if you don't see the ABAP perspective, go to others and go to other, and then you will see the ABAP here. So I'm in my ABAP perspective. If you can see here, I'll click on my project and then I'll hit others. I know it is view, so and then I'll go to dictionary view. Then I give my package. Let me see if there is something saved for me. Okay, this is my package, and then I'll give some name. So I'll say Z view proxy. I know I want to make a bank, and then I have to hit the external view because we want to connect to the database model. Before I search for the model, let me give some name. I'll say view proxy for a calculation view. Calculation HANA model view. Okay. Alright, now I know which view I want. It's like CV. Okay, I'll browse it. I'll browse here and then I'll type here CV underscore I want the bank. Okay, CV means calculation view, which I already said. That's the naming convention which SAP follows. Then I hit next. It will ask for the transport. I'll choose the second one and then finish. So this is the structure of the view proxy which you just created. It is ZVP bank and it has these fields. So you can see here the view type is external view, and what is the corresponding HANA model view? This is the corresponding HANA model view for this view proxy. So view proxy is nothing but a dictionary view which is linked to the HANA model view in the database layer. Congratulations, you have created your first view proxy for a calculation model view.